So what is a fairness opinion? Well, a fairness opinion is a statement by a financial expert that consideration in a transaction that is either given or received is fair from a financial point of view. Now, these are usually requested by boards of directors or special committees of boards of directors, and they do this to fulfill their responsibility to take all reasonable information into consideration in their deliberations and in making their decision about whether to recommend or not recommend the transaction. So when we perform this work, what are we actually doing? Well, we employ one of the three standard methodologies or approaches that we do and anybody uses when they appraise any type of asset, company, or assemblage of assets. Those are the cost approach, the income approach, and the market approach. So we will utilize these three methodologies and try to triangulate a reasonable range of value to determine whether the transaction and the consideration falls within that range. The upper end of the range is generally considered to be the maximum that a reasonable party would pay for the company, the assets, or the assemblage of assets. And the lower boundary of the range is considered to be the minimum that a reasonable person would take in exchange for the company, the assets, or the assemblage of assets. So you can see here in what we affectionately refer to as our football field, we have established an upper boundary and a lower boundary, and that the transaction falls comfortably within that range. So if you want to know more about fairness opinions, or if you have any other valuation or litigation needs, or just want us to be a resource, please contact us at CBIZ Valuation Group.